Good morning, sir. This is David Panganoron from BSIT 3K, and today I'm going to answer our assessments. So, the first question is, how can you define a simple route in Laravel, and what would be a real-life example? So, yung simple route in Laravel is, it's just a way of telling the app what to do when someone visits a link. For example, if nag-type ako ng /home, mare-redirect ako dun sa homepage and pwede kong pakita dun is welcome to homepage. So parang it's like giving directions when a user goes to a link, Laravel knows what page to show. So yun. So next question is, how do name routes works in Laravel, and how might you use them in a real world application? So basically, yung name routes is like shortcut name lang siya. So instead na i-memorize mo yung buong link, pwede mo na lang siyang bigyan ng name. Like for example, pwede kong i-name yung slash profile ko as profile lang. So later, if gusto kong ma-redirect dun sa link na yon, pwede ko na lang i-type is or pwede ko na lang gamitin yung route profile. Ganun. So mas madali na siya because kahit magbago yung URL, yung pwede ko na lang i-search yung name, gumagana pa rin yung name na binigay ko. So, what is the purpose of route groups in Laravel, and how might they be used? So, yung route groups is ginagamit siya para mag-organize ng mga routes. So, yung routes na yan is meron silang parang common, they all share something in common. Like for example, if yung sa lahat nung ano, yung sa admin page is nag-start siya with /admin, pwede ko na lang silang i-group para hindi ko na ulit-ulitin yung admin na word. So, this way, mas malinis yung code and mas madali siyang i-manage. So, number 4, how does middleware work in Laravel, and can you provide a practical example? So, yung middleware is para siyang gatekeeper or security guard. So, before makapasok yung isang user sa page, i-check muna nung middleware if allowed ba sila. Like, for example, is yung auth middleware. So, if yung user is hindi siya naka-login, hindi nila pwedeng ma-open yung website. So, um, this way, napoprotect ng middleware yung mga important pages natin. So lastly, how can you handle form submissions and CSRF protection in Laravel? So, pag nagsasubmit kasi tayo ng form sa Laravel, gumagamit tayo ng CSRF protection. So basically, parang hidden code tong CSRF na nagpo-prove na yung pag nag pag nag-login tayo is galing yung form mismo sa site natin. So, this way, yung mga hacker is hindi nila kayang mag-send ng mga fake requests sa site ko. Like, for example, 'pag nag-send ka kasi ng form sa Laravel, i-che-check niya kung nagma-match ba yung passcode, ganyan. So, if nag-match yung passcode, iche-check niya if accepted ba siya. And 'pag hindi siya accepted is iba-block niya yung fake na request. So, yun parang na-pro-protect niya yung site natin.